Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to customize your OBS layout and add a custom dock to enhance your streaming setup. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Docks, so go ahead and click on it. This menu is where you'll control which panels and tools are visible in your workspace, giving you full control over your streaming interface. Now, make sure the docks you want are enabled or checked. The essential ones include scenes, sources, audio mixer, scene transitions, and controls. These are the core components that allow you to manage your stream effectively, so having them visible and accessible is crucial for a smooth workflow. Next, you can rearrange your workspace to fit your preferences. Click and drag any dock by its title bar to move it around. You can dock it on the left side, right side, top, or bottom, depending on what feels most comfortable for your setup. This flexibility allows you to create a layout that matches your streaming style and keeps everything you need within easy reach. Now, if you want to add a custom dock, open your web browser. For this example, let's go to twitch.tv. Once the page loads, look at the upper right panel and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Create a Dashboard. This will take you to your streaming control center where you can manage various aspects of your Twitch channel. In the left sidebar, click on Stream Manager. This section gives you access to multiple streaming tools and panels. At the top, you'll see options like Stream Preview, Activity Feed, My Chat, and Collaboration. Each option has 3 dotted lines next to it, which opens additional settings for that particular panel. For this tutorial, navigate to My Chat. Right beside it, click the 3 dotted lines and select Pop-out Chat. A separate chat window will appear. Now, copy the URL link from the address bar at the top of this window. This link is what you'll use to integrate your Twitch chat directly into OBS. Head back to your OBS app. In the upper left, hover your mouse over Docks and then select Custom Browser Docks. This feature allows you to embed web pages directly into your OBS interface, making it perfect for monitoring chat and other live information. Navigate to the dock name field and click the text field below it. Type something descriptive, like Twitch chat, so you can easily identify it later. Right beside it, click the text field for URL and paste the URL link you copied earlier from your Twitch chat window. In the bottom right, click Apply. The custom dock will now appear in your OBS app. However, you'll need to log into your Twitch account again within this dock, which is completely normal for security purposes. Once you've logged in, go ahead and type something in the chat box on Twitch to test if it works. You'll see your message appear both on Twitch and in your OBS dock, confirming that everything is set up correctly. And that's it! You've successfully customized your OBS layout and added a custom dock. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.